Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caitlin, and today I'll be showing you guys what's on my Christmas list this year and some ideas for you guys to add to your Christmas list. Anyways, let's just get started. So I made a presentation for my Christmas list this year, and I'm just going to present it to you guys, and then I'll probably give you guys some more ideas after this presentation's over. So first, we have cosmetics section. The first slide, I need to get rid of this actually, but I put Summer Fridays, NYX Serum Concealer, and the Say Trio Blush. And I actually got this yesterday, so I need to get rid of that. But honestly, I recommend it so far. I think it looks pretty good. I'm wearing it right now with a lip liner. But anyways, to the video. I don't know, I just like a lot of lip products, and so I added that. And I've been wanting a new concealer. And I feel like the Say blushes look like a really good quality blush to try out. Next slide, we have the Rare Beauty Brow Gel, the Charlotte Tilbury Setting Spray, which I know you guys have probably seen everywhere if you're on makeup TikTok or Instagram Reels or anywhere. And then we have the Rhode Blush, Hailey Bieber's brand, in the shade Toasted Teddy, which is like a sunburnt looking blush, which I think is super pretty. And yeah, I feel like the Rare Beauty Brow Gel I would like because I wear brow gel every day, and it's like one of my favorite makeup products, honestly. I feel like it helps, it changes your face a lot and just makes you look more put together and clean. So that is on there. I also have the blush because I just like blush, and I don't have that many blushes, especially cream blushes I don't have, and this would be nice for like on the go too. And then a setting spray, which is like self-explanatory, just to set the makeup and make it last longer for school and just in general like events. Next slide, we have makeup, the last makeup product, and then hair. So here we have this Benetint dupe because I've tried Benetint, and honestly I did not think it was worth the price because I've had the Ulta brand Benetint dupe before too, and that was also really good. But I want to try this Essence What a Tint Benetint dupe, like I said. And then we have these two hair products because, as you can see, I have curly hair, and I added these cutie little gold bands on that today. But yeah, I want more hair products because I just feel like it's always nice to try a new routine. And there's a girl that I watch, I'll put her like face and name on the screen, I always forget her name, but she has really pretty curls, and this is her routine, plus like pillow soft curls, which I already have. But anyways, nails, if you're into nails like I am, then this is a great thing to add to your list. I do Gel X nails, so I added this builder gel and that shade, the shade 151, and it's the Amelie brand, I think that's how you say it, from Amazon. I have this Gel X extension kit just because it's a good restock for like products I've been running out of for my Gel X nails, because they're like, I'm running out of glue and just a few random little things, and so that would be really nice. Here we have a nail drill, and this is just to like remove gel polish and like Gel X glue or builder gel, so I thought that would be nice to have. For the next slide, we have skincare, and I only added two things because if you've seen my desk tour, you know that I have plenty of skincare and I still need to use all of that up. But for skincare, I just put this nice Clinique SPF like infused moisturizer in castor oil, which is good for growing your eyebrows and your eyelashes, so I've always wanted to try that. And for scent, we have the Vanilla Body Butter by Tree Hut, which I use up so fast. I don't have any right now, but I have the Tropic Glow Body Butter, and I honestly feel like you kind of have to use a good chunk of it to actually get moisturizing benefits. But not all their scents, but like this scent, Tropic Glow and Vanilla, are my favorite for the body butter, and I really like them, but I've been out of mine for a while, so that's on my list. And moving on, we have this Frenchie, I don't really know how to say it, brand, but I have their body mist and moisturizing body oil for like after showers, and they're both in the same scent, Cashmere Vanilla, and it basically just smells like Sol de Janeiro 62. It's a dupe, and I think it smells really nice. a good price. Look at me rhyming. Next, we have the clothes section. And this first slide is very busy, but we have shoes. And I think I just want either or pair. Like, obviously I'm not getting everything on these slides. These are just like ideas for my parents and family. First, we have the Adidas Campuses, which you guys have probably already seen in public. They're like the Demetra shoes, if you know what I'm saying. But I think they're pretty cute, and I want the green one because I don't have much I don't really have like any colorful shoes except one, which I don't like that much. So I want a colorful shoe, or like the Adidas Gazelles or Spezials, or however you say it, or Nike Air Maxes, or New Balance. I think those are 480s. Those are all cute shoe options. And I also want Uggs or Bear Paw dupes of the mini Uggs or the like short Uggs. But I went to the mall yesterday and I think I like the mini length better in the Bear Paw brand. And I honestly think I'll just get the Bear Paw dupe because it looks the exact same for a much better price. And then we have cute PJs and a pack of white ankle socks, which is very specific and random, but they're honestly just like the perfect socks, perfect sock length in my opinion. So those are on here. And I also added some like neutral Nike socks. The PJs are just cute to have and cute to get ready in. Then we have Brandy Melville or John Galt, same brand, from PacSun. And I just added a bunch of different tops and accessories because I like a lot of the items from the brand, especially their like little baby shirts. I think they're so cute. I already have one and I use it like all the time. Well, it has a bear on it, but it's the same vibe, same sort of collection. So I definitely want more Brandy. And then we have this Athleisure slide, and this isn't one of my like top things on my list, but I think it's a good idea to add to your list if you guys are interested. So here we have just these sports bras from Amazon and these Lulu dupes from Amazon. And then I just put Lululemon on here. And I only have a single pair of Lululemon pants, so it's like pretty unrealistic, but I mean, might as well throw it on here, right? Then we have a North Face jacket, which I'm not super interested in, but I usually get a fleece one every year because they have like a holiday sale, and my mom really likes to get those for Christmas, so I added that. Then we have a White Fox hoodie, which I see people wearing all the time at school, and they look so cozy and cute, so I added one. And honestly, I think I just want one hoodie, not really a set or anything, because I'm not like super big on hoodies, but I like to wear them occasionally, so it'd be nice to have a cute one. Then we have jewelry, which is the last real section, I'm pretty sure. And this is one of the top things on my list. It's this just a bunch of bracelets from Amazon and Pura Vida and just every jewels, literally anywhere. I just want more bracelets because I just have one sad bracelet on right now. But I just want to be those girls with like the cute bracelet stacks. And so I added a bunch of bracelets. Let me look a little closer. Those are the ones I added. I had those like gold beaded ones, which are really neutral and go with a lot of outfits. This set from Amazon, another set with bangles, and then I added these like every jewel earrings on the side. And then we have some random jewelry that I just kind of threw in here because I like wearing jewelry in general, as you can probably see. And I just like getting jewelry for Christmas and my birthday. So I added like this Van Cleef dupe from Amazon because I think the logo is super cute, but the price isn't cute. Then I have this charm necklace and these earrings to put in my second ear piercing, which I think would be really cute. Look at those. A heart locket, which I've been wanting for a while, and these bow earrings, which could also be cute in the second ear piercing. And then lastly, we got the random slide, and here I have a bunch of items random, as I said, and some of these could fit into categories that I already had before, but I just forgot to include in them, so I threw them in here. So the first thing we have is a cute tote bag for choir, because I'm in show choir, if you didn't know. and I use them all the time for practices to carry my things. I added this stainless steel Brandy Melville bracelet, and I don't know if you guys have seen it before, but it's like this fruit, and it just has like fruit and little cute pictures on it, and I think it's a unique little jewelry piece, so I added that. And then we have earmuffs, which honestly I've been wanting a while. I used to wear them when I was younger, and they were actually so helpful in the cold, and I think they're super cute too. And I like the white fuzzy ones like you can see here from Amazon. I added low or mid-rise loose jeans to my list, which I just added there because I like getting jeans and I don't get them often, so I added that. And then I put telescopic and sky high mascara because I've been wanting to try some new mascaras. Today I'm wearing the Maybelline Lash Sensational, but I don't have that many mascaras, so I've been wanting to try some new ones, and obviously those are pretty popular, and I've seen a lot of people use them and they look good, so might as well give them a try. Then I added basic fitted tops, and I put like Pumi tops, Aeropostale tops, Amazon tops, square and scoop necks especially. And so those are just some examples of what I mean. Aeropostale tops, honestly guys, so underrated. If you want good fitted tops for a good price, Aeropostale has got you covered because they are always on sale at my mall, and they have great products. Then we have Jerf Avenue branded items, which is very random because I've never had anything Jerf Avenue, but I think the brand is so cute. If you guys haven't seen them, they're basically this like fruit, flowery, very girly brand from, what's her name? Matilda Jerf. She's like a popular influencer right now, but her brand is honestly adorable, and I've been wanting to try out their robe, or like her PJs are also especially really cute. Let me show you guys. This is the Jerf Avenue website, and as you can see, they have these super cute robes in yellow and white, and they also have PJs that I'm interested in. So yeah, I especially like the Jerf Avenue lounge section. And then last but not least, I added gift cards or cash because that's always a good option if someone doesn't know what to get you, because I'd personally rather get that than something I don't like. So that is my list. I hope you guys found it helpful and enjoyed this video. If you want to see another video like this, then make sure to leave a comment down below and like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!